Hey everyone, this is Jared McCauley from Worthington Products out of Canton, Ohio. We're here today at the Anacostia River, helping out the Anacostia Watershed Society install a new Tuffboom trash barrier. Worthington Products, we are predominantly a hydropower barrier company where we are putting similar products like the Tuffboom here in front of dams to keep debris, public safety, and help enhance hydro generation. In the past decade, we started the Clean Rivers Initiative, which has been very helpful in identifying localized grassroots NGOs and also large-scale international NGOs and providing them proper trash trap and debris management solutions. We have partners with the Ocean Cleanup to even small grassroots NGOs like Anacostia Watershed Society. What we're going to be installing here today is actually part of our Second Life Barrier program, where we are trying to promote circular life products. These Tuffbooms that you see in front of us typically have a lifespan of about 15 to 20 years. These were formerly at a previous hydropower facility that donated them back to Worthington Products to identify a grassroots NGO to use them in a localized trash cleanup project. With them, we just had to do some minor refurbishments, add some new hardware to it to make sure that they are strong and can endure high flow and high storm events. But we look forward to seeing the Tuffboom product represented here in the District of Columbia, helping support the Anacostia community and most importantly, clean up our communities and clean up our waterways before plastic, inorganic debris and trash makes it to a larger watershed and eventually the ocean. If you are interested in being a part of the Clean Rivers Initiative, or you have a project where we can help support and provide a trash barrier solution or just give you some free consultation, we're here to help. We most importantly, it's not about getting more Tuffbooms on the water, it's more importantly about getting more trash out of the water. So feel free to reach out. Jared from Worthington Products. We're willing to go anywhere in the US or anywhere in the world to help you out in getting our planet looking more beautiful.
Hello, my name is Masaya Maeda with Anacostia Watershed Society. I'm a water quality specialist. I maintain 2 trash traps, and one of the traps is River Terrace trash trap. And we have had old boom that was going to be deteriorating. So we are going to get a Tuffboom donation. And old boom's shelf life or product life is about 5 years. So after 5 years, we have to replace the old boom. And the old boom has only about 6-inch of floating portion. So this boom doesn't capture trash very well, because this is placed as an outfall, and outfall discharge is very torrential. So when it rains really hard, trash escapes even over the boom. So this Tuffboom float portion is very big, maybe about 18 inches. So this can endure or hold trash very much better during torrential storm events.